Hello and welcome. In this episode, I will show you how to create a dual-tone color material in Vray Sketchup with text FallOff. Vray FallOff produces a gradient texture based on the angular form of the object and geometry. It is a special method with Vray in determining the material with angular form. So, let's get started. First, apply some material on this sphere. Then, go to Material Editor. Click M beside the diffuse color and search for text FallOff. Now, it will show new window in Vray Texture Editor. For simply, this color 1 for the main color and color 2 for side color. Click M again beside color 1 and choose text color. For this one, I will use red color. Then, click M again beside color 2. Choose text color. And I will use blue color. Let's skip the other parameter for now and see the rendering preview. You might notice the color at the sphere was changed because now the color is not only red but the combination of red and blue. Click the R button to see the rendering. Now, we'll see. The material is not flat red color. There's a slightly blue color over the edge of the sphere. Let's go back to Vray Texture Editor. In Parameter Typesetting, the one we rendered before was towards away. There is a total of 5 different types of parameter, and we'll try them one by one. The first one is towards away. Generate the colors based on 180 degree of the FallOff direction. So, the front color based on face normal direction will totally red, and the one at the back will totally blue. But there's still slightly a side color over the edge. The next one is perpendicular, parallel. This one, generate the front color, while those facing in the perpendicular direction 90 degree will generate side color. Click OK and let's see the rendering preview. Now, we see the blue color comes closer to the front because the FallOff range based on 90 degree and face normal direction. Back to Vray Texture Editor. The next one is Fresnel. This type sets the FallOff range based on IOR, or index of refraction, and the color range was controlled by the IOR. Take a note, this option is only available when the FallOff type was set to Fresnel. Click OK again and see the rendering preview. The result almost close to towards away type. It's because the IOR value was set to 1.6. The higher IOR value will bring the color more to side color. In this case, it was blue colored. The next one is distance blend. Enable extrapolate option, and it will make the FallOff effect continues beyond near and far distance. Again, it's only available when the FallOff type was set to distance blend. The material color is totally red because the object was far away from the camera. Try to change the near value to 80. Come closer to the object and render it again. Now, we see the color of the material was changed based on the specified position of the camera. Let's see the rendering preview. When we come really close to the object, it will totally change to blue color. And when we come really far, it will change to red color. Last but not the least is angular blend. This one is my favorite because we can have full control from the FallOff range based on the geometry and angular form of the object and surface. Let's try some rendering test. There were another option for direction. You can change whatever you like, how the material looks from different view, local, or world direction. When the direction was set to explicit, you have a control of the fall-off direction. By insert the value from -1 to 1 in explicit XYZ parameter tab box. Invert to inverse the color from front to side color and vice versa. But when you go to render, it will appear as transparent, because the box beside Use Color Texture as Transparency was active. Deactivated it, and the color will invert. The last is Blend Input. You can use it to input blend texture to blend the two colors. Choose the texture. And don't forget to check the box beside Use Blend Input. I will skip the texture orientation and skip it to rendering preview. This is how blend input works. I think that's enough for the tutorials. You can find my other tutorials by subscribe on my YouTube channel, or more updates on my page on Facebook. You can also find my latest work on Instagram at SUVRstudio999. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.